If you're ready to start, let's start. So my name is Vladimir Itkin, and I'm responsible in Qlik for sales. I will try to spend a little bit less time because we have only 2 hours for our meeting for today. So next slide, please. I would like to present our speakers. After me, I will pass the ball to Alexei Sirikov. He is CEO of Pars Asset Management. Then Sergey Polekhin and Denis Katyushin is our architect team. Will talk about business analytics scenarios and cases for the banking sector. And the last one, Alexey Polorotov, one of our partners, so from Datanomics, will talk about the data strategy for the banks. So we are Qlik, and what we do. So we have actually 2 main platforms. One platform is for the data integration, so we can take the data from any source. We can take this data in an edge data capture mode. We can take the data in real-time or near real-time mode, so we can transfer the data, we can clean the data, we can do everything with the data from any data source, and then we can put this data in our data analytics platform. It's a Qlik Sense. This platform has an associative engine, and we will show it a little bit later today. And of course, all these 2 platforms are supported by our enterprise support, and they have also the special the signature services for our top clients. And a little bit more words about our data literacy program, because it's an additional direction from our company we provide for the regions. And 2 months ago, we have started our data literacy project in Azerbaijan. So we started it with the testing of the community. And the next couple of weeks, I believe we will share the results. Why we do this? Because we want to understand how informed is the community, how deep the community understand the main trends, how the community understand the data analysis process, and we want to make it better. So the next step will be data literacy marathon. So currently we do it in the Kazakhstan. We did it in Russia, and it's so real big online event. More than, I believe, 5,000 people were on the previous marathon, and it's of course for free. So as an additional initiative, we do the Dharma book project. So there is a big book for the data, and it's a standard. Sometimes people call this a Bible for the data analysts and the people who work with the data. Our idea is to discuss every chapter with experts, and we did it last year. We finished half of the book, and I believe that till the June of the next year we will finish it. And of course, we will share all these initiatives and all these events with our new community in Azerbaijan. So today is our first webinar in Azerbaijan, and this is the first industry webinar. I would like to share also our plans for the Azerbaijan. We want to be the best platform in the next 3 years here in this territory. So we did it in other regions, and we are sure and we believe that it's absolutely possible for us, because Qlik is one of the best analytics platform on the market up to date. How we do this, we'll talk later and we'll show it, and I will not spend much time for it. Now, what I want to add, here is a snapshot for our top banking solutions. We are working in all sectors, in all areas in the bank. We have also some specific areas which were not mentioned in the previous slides. For example, we do the solutions for the security departments, for the security officers. We have the solutions for HR departments. And about the Qlik worldwide, currently we have more than 2,500 clients in the banking sector globally. So we have 7 clients from top 10 banks currently. I can say that 8 clients from top 10 in the insurance business also. Information, I will not talk deeper about these clients. If you are interested, just ask this in chat, and in chat you will also find contacts for Maria Ratner. Maria is a business representative for the Azerbaijan. So if you have any questions, if you need an additional meeting, if you need licenses for the test drive, just contact Maria and she will help you. So for example, okay, about the banks. The Swedbank is our client for more than, I believe, 10 years. They have started with the old platform Qlik, and now they are using the Qlik Sense. 1.5 terabyte of the customer's data is not so much currently. 10 years ago, it was a real big amount of the data, but now we have clients with much more data, like Sber, for example, and we'll talk later about it. The next client is Moody's. So Moody's is using Qlik for the credit analysis. They have 85 million financial statements in the Moody's risk bench solution. They have on the portfolio risk monitor as a solution, and the Sber here on the snapshot you can see that only the retail business has 20,000 users. But currently, I can share with you that the bank is using 120,000 licenses. These are 120,000 professional users in every department. It's excluding legal entities of the Sber, like, for example, the Sber Kazakhstan, it's another story. And it's excluding about the Sber community because they have some kind of taxi services, delivery services, and then a lot of other businesses. It's only the banking business, 120,000 users. A lot of dashboards, a lot of solutions. Every year we have the speakers from the bank. For example, 3 years ago, we have provided meeting together with the Gazprom. And I believe it was 5 speakers only from the Sberbank. They have talked about the retail solutions, about the risk analysis, some special solutions for the CIO. So, and my colleagues will speak a bit more later about this there. Next one is a client in the Kazakhstan. It's a First Credit Bureau. It's interesting that they took the data from the Green Plan data warehouse, and it's about more than 250 million records. And they currently 80% of active banking sector use their solution based on Qlik. It's a summary. What we will talk about today. We will talk today about the main streams, main trends in the bank industry. We will touch some of our clients, and we will share some success stories of our clients. We will show to you some of the key banking solutions, and because we are limited with the time, we have only 2 hours. If you will need more information, if you will need an additional presentation about special solutions, so don't hesitate, don't contact us. We have it, and we can provide additional meetings. So thank you very much. Now I will pass the ball to my colleague from the Paros.